So welcome to Maths with H. This is a question on bearing, so let's look at it for 5 seconds. They said a man travels from a village X on a bearing of 60 degrees to a village Y, which is 20 kilometers away. From Y, he travels to a village Z on a bearing of 195 degrees. If Z is directly east of X, find the distance of Y from Z. So that is the question. Now let's answer this question. Now we're going to start from the first statement. A man travels from a village X, so he's starting from point X here. So these are point X on a bearing of 60 degrees. So this is, remember, this is a three-figure bearing. We start from the north and move in the clockwise direction. So this is 60 degrees, okay? He moves to a point Y, to a village Y. So these are point Y now. At this point Y is 20 kilometers away. So here is 20. Okay, now from this Y, this point Y, he travels to a village Z. So this is a continuation of his journey. So we are going to create another cardinal point, north, east, west, and south. So from here, he travels 195. So let's get 195. This is 90, this is 180. So 195 should be somewhere here. So he moves in this direction. He moves this direction to point Z. Now, what did they tell us about point Z? They told us something about point Z. They said, if Z is directly east of X, that is to say that the position where Z is on this east side, is due east of X. So Z is at this point. Find the distance now of Y from Z. So we are asked to find this distance. Remember, these are points here. This point here is our Y. Okay? Is our Y. So we are asked to find this distance here from this point to this point. So this is where I'm looking for. Okay. Now, how do we get this distance here? First of all, let's get all the angles here. So we know that if from here to here is 195, given to us here as 195, from here to here is 195, we know that this whole place from here to here is 180. And therefore, here will be 15. This tiny space here will be 15. Is that clear? So here is 15. If here is 15, we know that here is 60, and this whole angle here is also 60. So 60 minus 15 will give us 45 as inside this triangle. I know that this is a quadrant as well. So here will be 90 minus 60. We are going to get inside this triangle, and that is 30. Can you see that? So we have gotten a triangle that looks like this. We have gotten a triangle that looks like this. Don't mind how I'm drawing it, but this is a triangle that looks like this. So we are having Y, X, and Z. And here is 45, and here is 30, and here is 20. So we are asked to find here YZ. This is what we are looking for. And how do we get that? We can get that using our sine rule. Okay? We can get that using our sine rule. Now listen, if here is 45, here is 30, 180 minus 45 plus 30, that will give us here as 105. So using sine rule now, our sine rule says that A over sine A is equal to, so by this time we are not having A, what we are having now is Z. So let me use Z over sine Z is equal to, I'm going to use this X over sine X. Can you see that? So what is my Z? My Z is what? My Z is 20. My big Z is what? 105. My small x is what? What's my small x? My small x is what we are looking for. That's my YZ. And then my sine big X, that is my what? Sine 30. Okay. Now, if we calculate this using our calculator and everything, we are going to arrive at an answer, and that answer is, we're going to have that YZ will be approximately 10.4 kilometers. And this is our solution. I hope you've gained value. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.